Welcome to Ask and Learn.
All right, so the question here is, does it mean to be big theta of 1? Well, to be big theta of 1 means that f of x is going to be big O of 1. And it is going to be big omega of 1. Okay, so if it's big O of 1, then we know the absolute value of f of x must be less than or equal to some constant c1 times 1. Well, that just is going to be c1. And similarly, since it is big omega, it must also be greater than or equal to some constant c2 times the absolute value of 1 as well, right? So what we get then is that our f of x, we let the black line be our f of x, it's going to be bounded. Right? It's going to be bounded by two constants, right? And if it's bounded by these two constants, well, so the question is, what does that mean, right? Well, that means that it cannot get closer to 0 than its lower bound, right? So if it is big theta of 1, then our function f of x cannot get closer to 0 than c2, which, and depending on how you name your constants, of course, that might vary. Another way to just say it is that the function is bounded above and below. You can really phrase that a few different ways, but what it means is that this function is indeed bounded between these two